Hello, let's take a look at Module 2. Alright, Module 2 requires you to read 2 chapters. You have a forum and a theme link, and then we'll talk a little bit about Paper 1. First, let's look at the forum because this forum is a little different from some of the others. Notice that this forum comes with its own separate timeline. During the first week, you're to watch, observe, and gather input. Over the first weekend, you're to post your response. And then the second week of this module is when you will respond to at least 2 of your classmates. And what you're trying to do is to find out how your coworkers view your organization. So I'd like you to talk to and observe as many people as possible during this first week. Talk to people in housekeeping and maintenance. Watch them. Talk with faculty. Talk with staff. Talk with students. Observe folks. And your goal here is to see how the different groups view your organization. No names. You're just starting to gather data. This is not scientific. This is very informal, but it gives you a chance to start experimenting with using observation and a little bit of interviewing to learn more about organizational culture. Again, there's a grading rubric for every forum, and you want to make sure that you follow that as you post. That was the forum. Now let's take a look at this module's thing link. A reminder that you need to click on this link and here are the assignments for this week. You have a reading. You need to start looking at your forum in Canvas. Here's a website, a video, a Prezi. Here is an assessment for you to look at organizational culture at your workplace, and then another Prezi. So you have a reading to do, but you also have some data to gather during that first week. So make sure that you set aside time during that first week of the module to observe and to talk to coworkers. You have a thing link with several different videos, and then just a reminder that Paper 1 is due in the middle of this particular module. During this week, this first week of the module, you will want to write your draft of this paper. Remember, it's only 2 to 3 pages. It's a very short paper, but you want to do that draft between Monday and Wednesday so that you have time to put it aside, get some space from it, then pull it back out over the weekend, read it out loud, and make any revisions before you submit it on Sunday. As a reminder, take a close look at the rubric for grading this assignment and make sure that you have reviewed carefully the assignment guidelines posted in the assignment module. Otherwise, I look forward to learning more about the organizational culture at your institution.